Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for JEE. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Ensure you understand every concept thoroughly before moving on. Master all fundamental formulas and theorems for each chapter. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the underlying principles. Practice basic problems to solidify your conceptual understanding. This initial step is crucial for tackling more complex questions later on. A solid base makes advanced topics much easier to absorb. Next, effective problem solving is key. Solve a wide variety of problems from textbooks, previous year papers, and mock tests. Don't shy away from challenging questions. After attempting, analyze your mistakes carefully to identify any conceptual gaps or recurring calculation errors. This self-correction process is invaluable. Also, practice time management by solving problems under timed conditions, simulating the actual exam environment. This builds speed and accuracy. Regular revision is essential to retain what you've learned. Dedicate specific time slots to revisit all topics, ensuring concepts remain fresh in your mind. Taking full-length mock tests is crucial to assess your overall preparation level and get a feel for the exam pattern. Don't just take them, analyze your performance. Identify your weak areas from the mock test results so you can focus your efforts on improving those specific topics. This targeted approach maximizes your study efficiency. Finally, adopt some advanced strategies. Maintain a dedicated notebook where you jot down important formulas, theorems, and any tricky problems you encounter. This becomes a personalized revision guide. Discuss difficult concepts with your peers or teachers. Sometimes, a different perspective can provide much-needed clarity. Remember, consistent effort and smart study techniques will lead to success. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.